Dear farmers, have you ever faced this situation in your polyhouse farming? You are doing everything right in your farm, right agronomy practice, fertigation, planting material, but still not getting the expected yield. You might be missing a very important point which is commonly ignored. This is cleaning your polyhouse film. Yes, this is absolutely worth noticing. A simple mistake of not cleaning a greenhouse film can cause you huge production loss and eventually financial loss. A newly installed greenhouse film transmits about 88 to 94% of light depending on its type. As time goes by, environmental dust settles on it, blocking light transmission. If your project is located near a lake or place of high humidity, rainfall or shade, the deposited dust on the film acts like a soil for the algae. Algae is a simple, non-flowering, and typically aquatic plant of a large group that includes many single-celled forms. Algae contain chlorophyll but lack true stems, roots, leaves, and vascular tissue. Teamed with dust as a soil and humidity from air or rain provides perfect environment for algae to grow. Since algae is a plant and due to photosynthesis it makes the plastic appear green from outside. Algal growth on a greenhouse film can reduce light transmission by up to 50%. This leads to lanky growth of plants and loss of production due to reduced photosynthetic activity. Hence, it's very important to clean the plastic minimum 2 times in a year, once during the rainy or cloudy season and again during the winter season so that you can get more production when the prices of your produce is highest. This is mandatory if your project is located in a dust-prone area or industrial zone. You can see the difference of clarity between a clean and dirty plastic in this picture. This is how dirty a plastic can look inside the greenhouse if there is an algal growth, and the only way to remove the algal growth is to clean the plastic. Now you can see that the plastic is being cleaned and the difference between the clean and the non-clean plastic is so much that algae has blocked practically up to 50% or more sunlight and you can lose your production and money eventually. So it's very important to clean the plastic before the winters to get more production. You can also see that a clean plastic is much more transparent and allows more light into the greenhouse. If you don't have a proper light coming into the greenhouse, the crop is very non-uniform. You will earn more money by following this simple tip. You can clean the plastic with a soft brush and plain water. You can also clean by making a T by tying a shade net on the other end of T. The shade net provides good friction while cleaning. Cleaning can also be done by tying a soft cloth on the other end of T. Once the T is ready, you can either use a ladder or get on the gutter to clean the plastic as shown in the video. You can use plain water in a power sprayer or normal water with pipe to clean the film as demonstrated in this video. Make it a practice to clean your film regularly. Grow more in your greenhouse. Share this video with fellow growers and farmers who might get benefited with this simple but very powerful tip. Us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or log on to www.agriplast.co.in.